Gates open, they're up and racing. Love Koto draws for your lead. Is Speedy Kim running on the outside. Celestial then moving up by the Royal Family. Typhoon Doring Dugos Charm moving up on the outside. Then comes Sunday Street and Matikas is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 450. Love Koto this time by about 3 lengths. Is Speedy Kim in second, racing in third. Royal Family, Celestial, Dugos Charm as they swing for home. Love Koto this time by about 6 lengths. Is Speedy Kim, Royal Family, Celestial moving up. Sunday Street, Typhoon Doring, Matikas is by the rail. And with the last 75 meters of the race, third race belongs to Love Koto. Royal Family, then comes number 2, Speedy Kim, Typhoon Doring, Celestial, Sunday Street, Dugos Charm, and Matikas.